Takapuna is a suburb on the north shore of Auckland, New Zealand. The suburb is situated at the beginning of a southeast-facing peninsula forming the northern side of the Waitemata Harbour. While very small in terms of population, it was the seat of the North Shore City Council before amalgamation into Auckland Council in 2010, and contains substantial shopping and entertainment areas, acting as a CBD for the North Shore. Takapuna, comprising the statistical areas of Takapuna West, Takapuna Central and Takapuna South, had a population of 8,343 at the 2018 New Zealand census, an increase of 594 people aged under 15 years, 1,524 aged 65 or older. Ethnicities were 72.5% European, Pekha, 4.4% Maori, 1.8% Pacific peoples, 23.2% Asian, and 4.6% other ethnicities. The proportion of people born overseas was 42.7%, compared with 27.1% nationally. Although some people objected to giving their religion, 47.5% had no religion, 41.5% were Christian, and 5.9% had other religions. Of those at least 15 years old, 2,862 people were employed full-time, 1,011 were part-time, and 204 were unemployed. Takapuna is located on the isthmus of a peninsula which extends south into the northern waters of the Waitemata at the harbour's eastern end. As such, the suburb has a coastline on Shoal Bay, an arm of the Waitemata to the southwest, as well as having a coast on the Hauraki Gulf to the northeast. The northern end of the suburb is dominated by the large volcanic crater of Lake Pupuke. Some points in Takapuna are less than 500 meters from all three of these bodies of water. The Hauraki coastline includes a kilometer-long crescent-shaped beach which is a popular recreation area. To the southeast of Takapuna lies the 6-kilometer-long peninsula which contains the suburbs of Belmont and Devonport. To the west lie the suburbs of Hillcrest and Northcote. The suburb of Milford lies to the north, on the far shore of Lake Pupuke. The Maori place name Takapuna originally referred to a freshwater spring that flowed from the base of North Head into a swamp behind Cheltenham Beach. In 1841, the wife of Eruara Mai Pachuan sold 9,500 acres of Auckland's North Shore to the Crown, referred to as Takapuna Parish. The North Shore was surveyed and subdivided in 1844. In 1851, Governor Grey gifted back to Pachuan 110 acres between the inlet beside Barry's Point Road and Takapuna Beach to use until his death. This area included a Maori settlement known as Waivahareriki, on the small Shoal Bay headland now crossed by Esmond Road. The earliest subdivisions of farmland for suburban development were the Hurstmere Estate in 1886 and the Pupuke Estate in 1889. The Takapuna and Milford Beach areas, as well as the land surrounding Lake Pupuke, soon became popular spots for wealthy businessmen, building summer homes to entertain in a rural surrounding. And eventually, many moved here permanently, commuting to work in Auckland via ferry. A local history archive is maintained by the New Zealand collection of Takapuna Public Library. It includes an index of the local newspapers, archives, photographs, oral histories, and historical material relating to Takapuna. Takapuna had a local government like other suburbs in Auckland at that time. The local government was called Takapuna Borough Council, which started in 1913 and merged into Takapuna City Council in 1961. Then it merged into North Shore City Council in 1989, eventually amalgamating into Auckland Council in November 2010. Between 1913 and 1989, Takapuna had 11 mayors. The following is a complete list. The Takapuna Beach area is a nightlife hub and boutique shopping center of the North Shore, having many bars, restaurants, cafes and shops. Shore City Shopping Center opened in Takapuna in 1974. It covers 14,900 square meters and has 826 car parks and 63 shops, including Farmers, New World Metro and Les Mills. The area has potential in its central business area and wider precincts to further develop into the southern hub of the North Shore. Takapuna is home to commercial businesses including web design company Byte Media, event managers Adrenaline Group, the headquarters of Provident Insurance and the global headquarters of SaaS software firm Unleashed Software. Takapuna is home to Takapuna AFC, who compete in the Lotto Sport Italia NRFL Division 1A. Since 1974, Takapuna Rugby Football Club has been located at One-Way Domain, which is in the neighboring suburb of Northcote. Prior to that, the club were located at Tahiratu Park, which is located on Tahiratu Road in Takapuna. Rosmini College is a boys' secondary school with a roll of 1062. St. Joseph's School is a coeducational contributing primary school with a roll of 395. They are state-integrated Catholic schools located adjacent to each other. Rosmini College was founded in 1962, and St. Joseph's in 1894. Takapuna Normal Intermediate is a coeducational intermediate school with a roll of 608. It was established in 1970. Takapuna School is a coeducational contributing primary